In the last video, I explained to you what is loss aversion bias, or why do investors sometimes continue to hold onto loss-making investments for too long. In today's video, I'll be moving one step further to explain to you how can investors avoid falling into the trap of loss aversion bias. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. So how can one avoid falling into the trap of loss aversion bias? And the first thing that comes to my mind is you must acknowledge where you have made wrong investment decisions, or where the fundamentals of the company have deteriorated so much that it is no longer the same company that you invested in. That is the first. The first place is accepting and not denying. And this is one of the most liberating things that I've ever experienced as an investment professional, when I have acknowledged that here the fundamentals have changed, the cheese has moved, and I make the right decision at that point in time. The second thing is to sell your underperforming assets. Do not hesitate to sell your underperforming assets. Put systems in place that ensure active monitoring of your asset and continue making sure that you confirm that the asset is still the same, has still the same prospects that you first saw. If that changes, be very quick to exit and sell all your underperforming assets. The final point is, make sure the proceeds that you get out of the sale, you allocate them to better performing assets. And this is the silver lining in any challenge that you get in investment. Over time, you'll be able to recover the losses that you have crystallized. Smart investors acknowledge when they have made the wrong investment decision, or when the cheese has moved. They sell and run quickly. Fund managers like Nabo Capital, they have systems and processes that they've put in place to proactively monitor all investments and therefore avoid the trap of loss aversion bias. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you to avoid getting into the trap of loss aversion bias. And if you have any challenges experiencing loss aversion bias, or holding on to loss-making investments for too long, please do not hesitate to engage us on our various social media platforms, or you can even call us. You can even come to our offices at International House on the 5th floor. We'll be happy to share a cup of tea with you as we understand the challenge that you have, and we help you to overcome it. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.